Hi, I'm Jerry Carter with the Sierra Crest Business Law Group. And if you're watching this video, you own a construction company and you're looking to sell it to one of your family members or to a key employee, or maybe more than one key employee. The benefits of doing that are outstanding. You can pass on your legacy to someone who you know. You can reward your faithful, longtime employee who has shown you a lot of loyalty with loyalty by giving them this opportunity. So it's a great thing that you can do for a family member or for a key employee. And I just want to talk about the main things you should be thinking about in planning to help someone else take over your business so you can retire. Number one is it takes time to sell a business to a family member or to a key employee. In a construction firm, your buyer needs time to get, okay. So number one, it takes time to sell your construction company to a family member or a key employee. This is not a situation where some national firm is going to come in and buy you out and you're going to hand over the keys and you're going to be done. Your family member, your key employee needs to become qualified on the construction licenses. Your family member or key employee needs time to come up with the down payment and may need time to figure out how they're going to pay the purchase price on the property. Your buyer may need to build up bonding capacity. There are a lot of issues that you encounter with a sale within the family, within the company, that just take a little bit of time to work through. So just plan on a little bit of time. Number two, it takes a lot of communication. Everybody in the world has a different willingness and ability to do what it takes to transform into the owner of a successful construction company. And your family members, your key employees are not exceptions to that rule. Some may be more or less willing to pay fair market value for the company. Some may be more or less willing to trade a steady paycheck for the risk that comes with ownership of a company. Some may or may not be willing to do what it takes in terms of marketing and keeping your name out there and building the business. And so the only way you're going to know about that is by communicating. You're going to have to talk with your family members, talk with your key employees, find out not only their willingness to enjoy the benefits of construction company ownership, but their willingness to do the hard things and to take the risks and to be, the person, where the buck stops, so to speak. And so lots of conversations, lots of communication. Number three, when we're talking about selling your business, we're talking about a succession plan for your construction business, it takes a team. You know this instinctively because you've never built a building or built a road by yourself. You know that it takes a lot of people working in a coordinated way to achieve a successful outcome. And it's no different when it comes to your succession plan and transferring control and ownership of your business to a valued employee or to your family. Some examples of people who need to be on your team would include a really competent tax advisor. You need someone on your team who's a financial advisor that can walk you through the finances and do some retirement planning with you. You're going to need an attorney to help you and guide you through the legal side of the process. And you may need an appraiser, someone who can value the business. There's just a nucleus, a group of people, professionals that you're going to be working with as you walk through this process. And you want to make it a team effort instead of trying to perform all those functions by yourself. So as a contractor, you know that planning is everything. And here you are at the height of your career in the contracting world, and you're planning your next big thing, which is to take your business, transfer ownership and control to someone who you love, value, and trust. And you don't want that to be any different. You want to do the right kind of planning to make sure that transition is reflective of who you are as a business owner. So we invite you to get that process started. by calling us at the Sierra Crest Business Law Group. We'd be happy to talk to you about this planning process.